Welcome back everyone to Evo Tom's Pokemon Booster Pack opening. Today we'll be opening 2 Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Booster Packs from the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Booster Box. Let's get started. We got a Toxtricity pack, four from the back, I think we got Electric Energy, Charjabug, Shuckle, Dan, Surskit, Magikarp, Meditate, Milcery, Growlithe, Speed Energy, Holo, and Pincurchin V. That looks nice. That's the second V I've gone from this box. Inteleon pack, Galarian Darumaka, Hatina, Cypher, Nosepass, Wingull. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to do the energy card. I think it's Psychic Energy. Next time. Luxio, Durant, Polisand, Wingull, Electrode Holo, and Appleton. Reverse. That's really cool. I'm going to showcase the cards that I pulled. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you liked about the video and tell me what you're pulling in your Pokemon booster packs. See you next time for another Pokemon booster pack opening.